Are you tired of subscriptions? I love getting lifetime software. Today I'm going to show you some of the best places to get lifetime software for your business. Stay tuned. So before we get started, I want to tell you about an exclusive group of entrepreneurs that I'm a part of. Go and check the link in the description below. You definitely want to check that out. All right, so this is Grab Ltd or GrabLifetimeDeal.com. And we can go here, and there are quite a few different, softwares you can get. Some of them are, a couple $1,000, $500, $200. Some of them are as cheap as, $49, $39, $35. Where to see that? There it is. So it's kind of all over the place on pricing. Tweet Ninja, $33.81. But yeah, there's a bunch of different stuff. You can also search. Where's the search bar? There it is. So we can do Twitter. Okay, so there we go. Tweet Ninja, B-Tweeps. So kind of whatever you're looking for, put it in there, search. All right, so next up is Appsumo. I've actually bought a few things off of this one as well. So where is there? So you can browse here and go down, and there's options for search and whatever you're looking for, right? Just dig around. Usually they're in the $40 to $60 range. Some of them are a little more. I don't think there's any so much as a couple thousand like on the last site, but yeah. All right, so next is Early Shark, and I think all of these, nope, looks like there's some, but most of them are around $60, $40. So it's kind of kind of the same. And I noticed some of them are the same because I saw Perkzilla over on Grab Ltd, and SEOL, that was over there as well. So some of them will be duplicates, but you might find something different. All right, so another one is DealFuel, kind of the same thing. Deal prices, looks like there's a lot around the $15 to $30 price range in here. And again, you could just kind of dig around, find what you need. And SaaS Pirate, this one I saw a lot in the $50 price range, $60 price range through here. So you can go check that out. And then I would be remiss if I didn't tell you about GrooveFunnels, because they also have a lifetime deal right now going on. And there's a link in the description for this. But it's more than just, so you're probably familiar with ClickFunnels. And this is a competitor that's new on the market competing against ClickFunnels. And they also have a bunch of different things. They have the Groove Mail, which is kind of like they kind of give you a comparison here. So Groove Pages obviously compares with ClickFunnels. Groove Sell compares with Samcart. Groove Affiliate compares with Tap Affiliate, and Active Campaign with Groove Mail. So you have all these different membership stuff, Kajabi, video, like Vimeo. So it's a hosting platform for your videos to a home for your videos, and GrooveCart. There's a bunch of different stuff in here. They actually have a competitor for WordPress. I kind of like WordPress, but that's cool. This is a ticketing platform, calendar like Calendly, so you can have people schedule. Webinar Jam, and actually this one I think will be one of the more interesting ones, because the guy who developed this whole Groove Funnels software, the guy who's the CEO of it, he actually developed a competitor he developed Webinar Jam back in 2012, I think, or maybe it was a little earlier than that, but 2011. So I mean, he's got he has some experience. This is a software that's not going to go anywhere, and so that's one of the cool things about this. They have a $1,400 price range right now. But you get everything lifetime for $1,400. So it's not bad. Again, there's a link in the description. Be sure to click that, and I would get some commission. So not gonna lie. Hey, before you go, make sure you check that link in the description below for that elite entrepreneur group that I told you about at the beginning of the video. You do not want to miss that. Go check it out.